Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk with Ate Juliana. And how are you all today? I hope you all is well. And whenever you guys, health issues that we encounter right now, praying for the best, praying for the healing, and also to our Filipino overseas workers, also to my country, home country in the Philippines. How are you all? Magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang hapon, mayong buntag, mayong udto, mayong gabi sa inyong tanan din ha. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan. Here in our town in southern part of Missouri, USA, Farmington, time check is 12:30 noon. So good weather right now. I'm enjoying stay outside because of the weather is really good. And today I'm going to the market. I have my bag ready for groceries. So this evening, today also is our another meeting with some American missionaries, because we're going to have first annual fiesta here in our town for the first time. So some of the Filipinos here in our town, we gathered, and also for those not yet informed, I'm invited you, everyone that live here in our town in Farmington, Missouri, USA, that we're going to have an annual fiesta, first annual fiesta in our town here. So the organizer is American missionaries. I'm really impressed that the American missionaries pick our country to serve and help our children, the kids, especially the kids that really need it the most. So I'm really thankful for them. And the most that I'm really impressed with them is they can speak our language. So this evening around 4 o'clock we get together. This is our third time meeting, so that make sure that we are the same page. So of course, speaking of gathering, so hindi mawawala ang food. So I'm going to make some of Filipino dish. Hindi ko pa iniisip kung ano ang dadalhin ko, but well, I'm used to it. Every time na may gathering kami dito, I'm always bring some Filipino dish or anything. And also tawag nito, I'm excited for this fundraising, kasi napakaganda ng mga what do you call this? Napakaganda ng mga ano nila, mga missions nila, kasi biruin mo, mga American pa, mga American missionaries, they are the organizer. So para bang nakakataba ng puso, and also be as a Filipino, you know, na andoon pa rin yung mga kapatid natin, ng mga brother and sister in Christ, especially here in America, that they are helping our country, especially the kids. So iniisip ko ngayon na baka lulutuin ko is pansit ba ngayon, or chicken adobo, kasi pag dito, kasi pag may gathering kami, I always make one of the Filipino dish, kasi mga Amerikano, they like pansit, they like lumpia. So yun, baka ang lutuin ko ngayon is lumpia ba, adobo ba, kasi mas gusto rin lang adobo, lumpia, pansit, parang yun talaga ang major dish, Filipino dish that they like. So but anyway, I'm start driving right now, not driving, back up I mean. So yun, tawag nito, mag-ano na ako, malis na. My husband is not here because he is visiting our friend in the hospital. Saka ako ay pupunta na ng, we call this Aldi's meat store, yung nandun na lahat, I mean parang small store here in our town. Tsaka yung mga meat nila is really fresh. Look like fresh. Up. So, yun, ito po. Nagda-dry. Masarap ng panahon ngayon. Yun, napakaganda ng mga trees. Para lang andun ako sa amin. Kaso nga lang, maraming mga sasakyan. Sa amin wala. Mayroon but not really like here. So, yun, I'm going to the crossing. Yun. Saka a left turn. Kikita mo maraming mga clinic yun, clinic at saka hospital. Malapit lang kami sa hospital dito sa Farmington. At saka marami tayong mga kababayan ng mga medtech, mostly medtech at saka physical therapy. Ito yung town namin. Nakikita ninyo na para talagang nasa Pinas lang ako. So may mga, mostly dito maraming mga apartments. Apartment dito. At saka ano pa ba? Ang nakaganda dito sa Amerika is dito, yung mga pagkain dito, ang sasarap. Big serving. Yun, mga na dito, yun, yung mga ganyan, mga clinic na yan. Yun, pagil-gil lang yung mga clinic na yan. So, kaya mas maraming trabaho dito. If you work a lot of part-time, my goodness, it's a lot in here. I like to live here because people that I work with they're really very nice, friendly. Mostly yun. Saka yun, dito na ako sa stoplight. Ayun. Dito marunong ka talaga mag-drive dito kasi it's necessity. Mahirap pag winter, kaya it took a while for me to know how to drive kasi siyempre laking bundok yun. Saka thankful and grateful sa Panginoon Diyos kasi binigyan niya ako ng chance to come over here. Talagang big plus na sa akin. With my husband in here too. Thankful to my husband kasi ang bait niya sa amin pamilya. Yun, may mga scooter rin dito. Yun, tingnan mo yung bata na yan, nag-scooter lang. Yan, dito ako sa may yan, tingnan mo bata na yan, nag-scooter. Ayun, it's my turn na. Dito, aware ka talaga dito kasi you need to be, kasi yung mga You need to wait your turn. Make sure that everyone is on the same page. Yun, dito ako sa store na to. Doon ako bibili ng meat. At saka pa-park muna ako. Yun. Diretso lang. Ayun. Alright, we will see you later. Bye for this time. Hello guys, I'm back. I'm here in the store. So this is our store here in town. So I'm going to get some chicken. Ewan ko ba kung magkano ito. So yun lang ito. Mas mura lang. $6. Kailangan piliin. Magiging wise talaga tayo sa budget para hindi gastos. Iwasan ng spend too much money. So ito yung sa beef nila. Sarap ng beef nila. Pero mas masarap talaga ang beef sa Pinas. Ano ba to? Kasi gusto ko, tagal na ako hindi kumakain tagal sa bawi. Baka ito okay na to. So yun. Kasi dalawa lang kami ng mister ko sa bahay. So yun. Budget kahit pa paano. Saka gusto ko ng pork pero bakit ang mahal? Tama na yun, chicken. Yung isda rin nila ayaw sobrang $2 off. So nagiging $21.90 na lang. Mura lang oh. Isda nila. Ay nako. Bilhin ko ba? Para for me is all still mahal eh. Kaya ano ba? 21.48 to 20 na lang plus tax. Still mahal pa rin. Hanap tayo na mura. Hindi lang muna. Saka ito, mayroon din. So 7 nagiging ano lang, $5. 8 ito. Gusto ko to kasi walang kaya to dollars off. Dollars off. Hindi $4 na nga. Yan. No. Nakamura rin kaya pala ano yung pakiramdam ko papunta dito. Kasi may mga mamura pala. Gusto ko itong meat na ito. Aso. $12. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk with Ate Juliana. So I just arrived from the store and as I said earlier that we're going to have a meeting with the missionaries, with American missionaries. So I decided to make a pancit. So I have the chicken. My ingredients is chicken. Oh, I forget to get that in the fridge, my carrots and cabbage. Cabbage and carrots and pancit. I'm going to mix my, I don't know which one I was thinking this one because it's been a long time I didn't make this, but I'm also thinking maybe this one. So now I'm going to start my recipe for the dinner for this evening. Time check is 15:12 each, and I'm going to wash this chicken, breast chicken. I did clean everything, and of course we don't forget to use the onion. I'm not really using garlic very often, but this time no garlic, it's only onion. My hobby is cooking. Only Filipino food. I know a little bit American, but mostly I like Filipino food. Of course, we can't forget our home recipe, Filipino recipe. And make sure slice chicken in a small like here, and a small slice. And after that do the same size. I have my shoulder problem, but I'm glad that I have this. My husband bought this knife, a really sharp knife. This is his favorite. He always reminds me that I need to clean after I use. I said, okay. Buhay sa Amerika. Not easy. But blessed and grateful to see my job. So I'm ready this, and so I'm going to marinate the chicken. Ito na yung chicken ko. Of course, with Filipino seasoning. Magic sarap. Just being lazy. I mean silly. Then Filipino soy sauce, Selber's one. Ito is from Homesick Reliever. Usually before when we were young, you know, we lived in a small place, small house, and we don't have enough money. But if we don't have like fish or anything, we use soy sauce with oil mixed together and put in your rice. Boy, it's so delicious. But still, you know, thankful and grateful that we're blessed. And it's already marinade. I guess I'm going to leave this in like 5 minutes just to absorb the seasoning. So I'm going to start to cook now. And have oil. I'm not using a lot of oil, it's not really good for our health, so I just need a little bit to make sure I can cook chicken, or not chicken, the garlic. Sorry, not the garlic, onion. Okay. epoxy pen from a thrift store. So I'm not really buying a brand new one because it's really expensive, you know. We need to be wise about money. It's hard, especially we're helping family in the Philippines. So, and also make sure, you know, be clever for everything, wise for everything. Like, why do I spend a brand new, which is there is in thrift store? So that's my favorite store here in the US. So okay, right now I'm going to put the onion. Dapat sana mainit yung mantika, kaso I just add it on. It's okay, they're not fighting anyway. Maluluto rin yan. And also, huwag niyong kalimutan po, suportahan ang pinaka-paborito kong charity vlogger na si Kalingap. Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, and his beautiful wife, Ate Edna, and their son, Kuya Rob, and his wife, Jack. I know they don't know me, as always said, as I always say that every time I make this video or vlog, that they don't know me, but I know them. I'm really inspired by them, of their helping to the people, especially for those who really need the most. So, talagang na-appreciate ko yung pagtulong nila. Napakaganda sa loob na marami kang natutulungan ng mga tao. Kasi, pagdating sa taas, folded pa yung bibigay niya sa'yo. Triple or more than. So, ngayon, huwag ninyong kalimutan suportahan yung Kalingap vlogger at sa mga Kalingap keyboys, kasi yung mga keyboys is yung mga lalaki na scout na pwede nilang matulungan. So napakaganda. I like it the way they did. Nag-scout sila, mahanap sila sa mga tao na pwedeng tulungan. Tapos may mga love teams sila na grabe ngayon, hit ngayon dito for me, dito sa amin, na in my Filipino that I know, I knew. So yun, maganda yung nila, yung love team nila naging viral halos. At saka yung paborito, I know, don't forget to support all the love teams, kasi yung mga K-Angels is be going back to school. At saka at least makatulong man lang. As I said, I'm not soliciting money for those who's watching right now. I'm advertising that please watch their YouTube. Just type Kuya Kalingap or Kuya Rob and click the videos, kasi doon nila lahat in-upload yung mga natulungan nila. So, yung pag-review ninyo is a big help for them, because that account. At saka also yung kalimutan mag-subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe. My YouTube channel is Juliana White. And also it says that let's talk with Ate Juliana. So sa mga back to Kalingap is the one who helped, as far as I know, naging popular nila sa YouTube. So na-encourage ako sa kanila. Sa mga K-Angels na tinatawag nila, we have their love teams. Saka ito ay para matulungan ng mga K-Angels sa school nila. Huwag i-escape ang ads if you're watching their videos, kasi yung ads is one, also give them a chance para madagdagan yung nila, kita. Lalo na sa mga overseas Filipino workers, namimiss natin yung bansa natin. So sana huwag kalimutan, salamatan lahat ng mga biyaya, kasi nag-bless tayo lahat. I know we work hard, pero mas kumita tayo dito sa ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa family. So, ngayon, ready na? Siguro? Parang hindi pa. So, I need a slow volume here para mag-ano pa yung chicken. Tapos, para mas masarap daw. So, back to Kalingap. Please don't forget to subscribe their YouTube channel, and also please don't forget like and share kung may nagustuhan kayo, at saka sa mga tawag nito, mga kabataan ngayon na nagiging tawag nito ng Kalingap, nagiging beneficiaries nila, you know, kasi mga bata pa, they want really to pursue their dreams. So hoping and praying na from everyone that please watch, at saka yun. Ngayon, talagyan ko na naman ng tubig to. Kasi yung nagmarinate ko kanina, I just add water on the container para naman malinisan yung mga yung juice. Kasi malinis naman eh, nagmarinate ka tapos at least naman nakaka-save ka. So sometimes technique. So add water. Hindi kasi ako naglalagay ng salt. So mas maganda itong silver spoon na lang para tasty yung food. So itong naiwan kong chicken is for tomorrow church. It's a big meal for the church tomorrow. So like every second Sunday of the month, may dinner kami sa church. So our church is Church of Christ here in small town of Park Hills, which is another small city around here in Farmington site. Binabad ko I soak this in the water para hindi siya para magiging malambot siya. So yun ang ginagawa ko. Tapos cabbage slice. Minsan nakalimutan ko may surgery ako. I need to be extra careful kasi mahirap na magkasakit. Kumukulo na siya. Ito na ang aking pansit. forget. I forget the black pepper. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang kulang. Parang, ano pa, putla pa. So, I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Handa ko na ito. Sana magustuhan nila. And last, ako magluto ng pag ako magluto ng pansit, hindi ko lagi inanoy yung sino tawag nito, ibang inokay. Mas gusto kong ganyan lang siya para less work. Ngayon i-add ko na yung cabbage. Make sure lahat is walang natapon. Tapos i-off ko na yung temperature at saka I leave this like 30 minutes para mag-absorb pa yung noodles at saka magiging tasty. So, sa mga viewers, friends, family out there, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe Juliana White on my YouTube channel. Let's Talk with Ate Juliana, and don't forget to subscribe Kalingap, my favorite blogger, Charity. See you later. Bye this time. Bye.